Hello Aries, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April 8 to April the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, Aries, nakakakita tayo dito na parang bumibuelo lang tayo. Inaantay natin yung time na, kumbaga, mabigyan tayo ng break, no? Whether this is with regard to the finances or career or sa ating relationship. I feel like marami tayong mga bagay na sabihin natin pinagkakabisihan right now. Kung hindi man through actions, no? Yung isip natin masyadong busy, no? Masyado tayong maraming iniisip, masyado tayong maraming gustong simulan. All of those were sabihin natin kaka-improve natin, no? Whether it is improvement of finances, improvement of your career, no? Or improvement of your relationship. For the most numbers of you na nandito po, no, is because of the relationship. I think na medyo sinasabi mo dito, nawawalan na ng time, energy, parang hindi naman siya, parang nauubos. There you go. Nababawasan. Yun. Um, Itong time, energy, yung generosity, no, nitong person natin. Um, we're waiting for something to work on. I think meron na tayong iniisip. It could be a plan. I think na sisimulan natin ito this week. Binabalance lang natin, no? Kumbaga, are we gathering informations here? Are we trying to um, execute na ba, no? Kasi with the high priestess, nandito na tayo sa almost, no? Nabalansin na natin. I think we are doing some trials and errors. For a few numbers of you, especially dun sa singles, sa mga no labels, or dun sa mga may crushes, siguro ito na yung time na bukod sa nagsabi tayo na gusto nating um, mangyari dito sa ating relationship, parang sinasabi natin dito also na kailangan may gawin ako, no? And I think unti-unti kong sinisimulan. Yung iba, this is a plan na kailangan magkaroon kami ng relationship, kailangan magkaroon kami ng commitment. You have been working on this. Matagal na itong nasa isip, no? But I think that this is the execution kasi nakukulangan na nga tayo. So when it comes to in a married relationship, uh, or in a relationship and married couple, I feel like hindi tayo pumapayag or hindi tayo papayag na ah, itong relationship na ito is maging malamig, no? Ka-summer-summer, lumamig ang relationship. Third party situation, I feel like hindi rin ako papayag na mawala ka sa akin, no? So, I think that this is the time na kailangan kong I need to stand my ground. I need to fight for this relationship, no? With the lovers, eight of wands, the stars, the nine of swords, the five of wands. Now, for a few numbers of you, you might be you might be competing with another energies. What I mean by that is sabihin natin baka naman feeling natin, no, itong attention kaya lumalamig, no, ang attention ni person ay nababaling sa iba. Whether this is through, because we're seeing here eight of wands, no? In a modern time, this signifies usage of technology. So, baka meron siya mga nakikita tayong kinakausap, no? Online, whether this is through ML, yung mga games na yan, madami akong actually naririnig, no, about sa ML na yan. Even before, marami nagkaka-developan dyan. Or Instagram, no, Facebook, yung mga messengers na yan. I think na feeling mo may kinakausap. Whether this is true or not, you might, parang sinasabi mo dito, kailangan maibalik sa akin yung attention. Um, for a few numbers of you, you already know that this connection is a twin flame connection. Chances are, uh, kasi you place the person in a pedestal right off the bat. So parang tayo ang nagbigay masyado ng naging generous sa ating time, energy, efforts, love. Tapos, medyo naiinis tayo kasi hindi tayo na-reciprocate. Kung baga, hindi na-reciprocate yung ginagawa natin. So, with the Five of Wands in here, parang nagkakaroon kayo ng conflict, ano? Singles. Ayan. Sa mga singles, may crushes. I feel like meron tayong gustong, parang we're pulling the energy towards us. No? Parang hinihila natin itong energy papunta sa atin. Kaya siguro meron tayong mga hakbang na ginagawa, no? Sa mga no labels, I feel like sandali, ako yung nauna dito. Ah, parang ang masakit kasi dito, parang ikaw ang nagtanim or kahit sa anong type of relationship to, kahit anong stages. Ang masakit kasi, you're investing, no? For this person to become a good person. You're giving everything, 'di ba? Um, parang nagiging best version yung person natin, no? Of themselves. Tapos, ang masakit yung iba yung makikinabang. Totoo naman. Lalo na kung may nasa third party situation, I feel like sandali, ah, kumbaga, halos ako ang bumuo sa'yo. Hindi sa pag, ang tawag dito, panunumbat, no? Pero kung wala ako, nasan ka ngayon, no? Even sa married and in a relationship, di ba ganon? Baka nakakalimutan mo, no? Kaya nga nandito ako para ipagtanggol or ma-survive natin kung ano yung nangyayari sa relationship natin. Dahil hindi rin naman ako papayag, no? Um, I didn't do everything for nothing. No, huwag na tayo makipagplastikan na no, yung love, ganyan-ganyan, na um, dahil hindi ako naghahangad ng kapalit. No, that's ka-impokritohan for me, ha. Kasi if you are in a relationship, you want this is a two-way street, no? Pwedeng nandun tayo sa start na, sige, sabihin natin, at first, ginagawa ko to, pero I am expecting something in return. Sabihin mo nang I'm investing, so what? No? Ganun din naman. So, di sana, kung ginagawa ko to, nakipagrelasyon na lang ako sa sarili ko, baka mas masaya pa ako. Diba? So, ito yung nakikita ko. So, parang ang ginagawa mo ngayon is you're standing your ground para ipagtanggol kung ano yung meron ka at para ma-survive itong relationship na ito. No? Again, gusto ko lang po ipaalala sa inyo na sa kabilang channel, dun po tayo nagla-live Babaylan TV. Pero kung hindi po kayo um, panood ng live or nakakasali sa live, pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo din sa ating website, no? There's a link sa description box ng video na ito. There's a link. Click the link. Makikita nyo po, dadaling kayo doon sa ating website. Nandun po yung information, amount per question, name, number, QR code for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 dahil discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, and nandun din po siya. No? So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. These can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Pisces, Leo, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Cancer, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo, Gemini, Capricorn. No? So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.